Dimabu Malia. Ata.
Oh wait, was he like?
Dimabu Malia.
Oh.
He likes her. How does the brother think? The younger brother.
Hold on.
Stop.
Kaya.
Oh, sorry.
You're so stupid.
Ete. Leishala. Yeah.
It's like 2 degrees out, and you guys are wearing like nothing. All right, here we go. What are we supposed to actually do, though? I'm really confused.
Ata. Dimabu Malia.
I dropped the. Oh,
Very good.
I'm smart. You're supposed to say yeah. You're supposed to say
You
yeah.
are. I was watching you
Okay.
control that though, and that was distracting me.
All right, it's time to end the princess's life here.
Huna.
I wonder what would happen if you tried.
Nothing.
Otai.
Goodbye.
Kaya.
Maul strokes.
Otai.
Stop.
Stop.
That is crazy. Holy shit.
Kaya.
Mm-hmm.
Otai.
Oh, he needed to do it? What the heck? I was trying to grab it with him, like the big brother. Okay, now I'm gonna try with the big brother. Get the fuck out of the way. There. It's okay, sometimes it doesn't grab it. Ah! Wait a second.
No biggie.
You gonna let us down? Oh, there's another lever over there. Okay, oh, I'm going the wrong way. Wait, Jesus. Oh boy. Get in the seat. Get in the seat. Get your ass in there. There we go.
Hey, cutie. Hey, Marsh. Did you have a good dinner?
Thank God he's on the left side. Oh boy. Oh, it's fucking invisible. Great.
It's okay. You'll see and hear his stomping, which is not anxiety-inducing at all.
Yeah, I'm not having an anxiety attack. You are. Not me.
Yeah.
It's not me.
Otai. Kaya.
I know, right?
Holy shit! Got her Air Jordans on! Good fucking lord! Did you see that bitch? What the fuck, yeah? What the fuck are you? She could have been helping us so much more!
Otai.
Oh fuck. Die. Go behind the wall, you fucking piece of shit! There we go. Wait, what?
He saw you!
Oh. Oh my god.
She was distracting, that's why.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Oh
That's
I'm
cool.
clipping that. That was hilarious.
Oh, jeez.
I'm still laughing at you, sorry.
Oh my goodness, that was fucked. I want to watch that clip actually. You should
Atta!
get that ready. You should load that shit up. All right.
I should just
Load that
I
shit
can
up.
stream it.
Yeah. Hold on, let me. Oh god. Whee! Dude, you can easily be seen there.
I know. Troll is stupid though, or whatever the heck this is.
Yeah. Oh shit. Nom 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 nom. Why don't you just use your Air Jordans, carry us, and jump us
I
to
know,
the fucking
right?
where we need to go?
I was
Good
wondering
lord.
if you noticed her like scrambling across the fallen tree.
Right. Oh fuck.
Okay, now would be the time to run. Yep.
I'm going.
Okay. Yep. Run. Run.
I can't go up with you.
Run faster!
I can't. You're slow as fuck.
Oh no!
Dang.
Hey, Nai!
Hey, Aaron's like, hi, how are you? Why are you dying? You stupid bitch.
Kaya?
I could have sworn I was running as fast as I can there.
Maybe don't take so many unnecessary turns.
What are you? Maybe gaga. That's what all I heard.
Why are you so
Let's
rude?
go.
Just get good.
Just kidding. Oh, why are you so rude? Just stop sucking ass.
I mean, I didn't say it, but. Run faster! Run faster! Your mic gets cut out so much.
Should I turn Chris on? Off. Oh. What about for the little brother, huh? Get some action. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, here we go. Oh, jeez. Something's not right about this with this girl. She's secretly a witch.
Perhaps. Perhaps not.
Calling it now. She's a witch. Oh, this is really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, we need to be alone, little bro. So just put you over here. Ah! Just casually move it like a 500-pound boulder.
Na, tia ma!
Yep, she's evil.
Ta ma! Mabadi, here!
Fucking knew it.
I can't touch my eyeball with chipotle salsa on it. Basically, you can't leave now because she's behind you.
Oh shit, this is, I don't like this. She's gonna start transforming in this cave and this up. She does not look good.
What makes you say that?
She's the one turning all these people into frozen. She's a spider?
Biladu nahi?
Oh Jesus! Oh my god! I fucking knew it.
So anyway, that's what she was being sacrificed. Because she evil.
Yeah. This took a crazy turn.
I know. The music is nuts.
That's why she was able to jump like a crazy fucking bitch.
It was the way you barely made the jump and then she immediately flies over.
Right? Damn!
I know.
Dude, move your fucking head! What do you want me to grab? Okay, that one.
The one that's sticking out.
Whee! I'm gonna separate them.
Good move.
Yeah. Fucking bitch. This is so fucking creepy and awesome.
I know.
Oh fuck! What? Now you die.
Wade. Tarida. Ama Rabbi.